Kentucky Dipper here, heading out to the truck right now to get my snuff. I got you wintergreen pouches because I got a little kind of blister on my lip. But here's my truck, 1993 GMC. I don't know if it's a Sierra or not, it doesn't say, but I'll show you the interior. Okay. Interior. It has a 350 high performance V8 in it. There's my Pebbles too. Here's mine. Old faithful Grizzly wintergreen. I'll show you what the bed looks like first. I'll show you what the engine looks like. I'll show you what makes this truck have its powers. I can't start it up right now because I'm at Shortstop's house work, and the truck's pretty fucking loud. That's what it got underneath the hood. 350 V8 high performance motor. We just switched out the batteries in it. This sumbitch is fucking quick. It tops out at 80 miles an hour. But me and my Papples hit so fast that it hit the 20. I'll show you the bed. Throw these keys in my pocket real quick. I set the phone down. This is the bed. You got the cover thing on it. Yeah, I'll be doing a video on my 87 probably tomorrow, and I want to give a shout out to Greg Wells. Go check out his YouTube channel, subscribe to him. He does pretty good videos. Alright, head back in here, Papple. Just wanted to show you guys my truck. I'll catch you guys later.